Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Repeat after me. Je m'appelle. It means my name is. My name is Je m'appelle. This is an answer to the questions. Comment vous vous appelez? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment t'appelles-tu? These three questions means what is your name? If somebody wants to know your name, the person can ask you, comment vous vous appelez? The person can also ask you, comment t'appelles-tu? And the person can also ask you, comment tu t'appelles? Anywhere you hear t'appelles or t'appeler, it means the person is asking for your name. All you need to do is to say, je m'appelle. For example, if someone asks, comment vous vous appelez? Or, comment t'appelles-tu? Or, comment tu t'appelles? All I need to do is to say, je m'appelle Maryam Raji. Je m'appelle Maryam Raji. If someone wants to know if you speak English, the person may ask you, parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais? Repeat after me. Parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais? It means, do you speak English? If you don't understand what someone is trying to tell you, all you need to say is, je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas means, I don't understand. You're in the market and you want to know where somewhere can be found, or you are looking for a place, or you are looking for something. Your question tag is where is. In French, it is où est. Où est. For example, if you're in a market and you're looking for the jeweler shop, just say, où est la bijouterie? Où est la bijouterie? For more information about places in French language, don't forget to visit my YouTube channel at Raji Omokende, and you'll see places, names of places. If you are in the market and you want to buy things, all you need to say is combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? Which means, how much is it? How much does it cost? Repeat after me. Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte?